Good afternoon. From the For the See Me, this is Chris Robinson with your Trader's exclusive commentary for the 25th day of October. It has been a scary month. It's been a month of corrections. I'm going to talk about three of those and something for you to think about between now and the next time we talk next week. Number one, you got to start out with what happened in the stock market. For 9-10 years, I traded in the Dow pit. Pretty much full time. When I wasn't trading corn and soybeans, I would trade in the Dow against the S&P. So I spent a lot of time in that pit, obviously before it all went electronic. So that's a little bit of background there. And all I can tell you is this last correction was a classic 10% correction. You see it over and over again in this market. We had one back in January, February. It was actually 12%. And then it took 8 months, right, to make new highs. And then in about the space of about 3 weeks, you lose another 10%. It's typically what happens in that market. A lot of people have lost a lot of money in the past 8 years, past 10 years, trying to call a top in the stock market. But repeatedly, we'll get 10% corrections. The figure that everybody talks about is in the past 65 years, we've had 35 or 36 10% corrections. So consider that when you have a month like we just had. But just food for thought, take a look at the S&P chart. Take the high tick and take the low of the move so far, which occurred yesterday. I'm speaking to you on Thursday. And it was pretty much exactly 10%. That's a number that I continue to watch. We'll see. A lot of people think that we might have another 5% to go. It doesn't really matter. The market did give you a great opportunity there on that move, and we'll see moving forward. The market will tell us. Are we overdone? Are we going to rally back now, or is there really one more leg to go? A lot of that I think depends on what happens between now and the election day. Election day is on the 6th, so we have a couple weeks left, and we'll see if the Dow, again, if the tables really have turned, and this is a sea change. Only time will tell. So that's correction number one. Correction number 2 and 3 got to be corn and beans. Corn and beans, 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago, we were at soybeans at 6-week highs. We were on an 80-cent rally. Corn on a 36-cent rally. It looked like the lows were in and we were off to the races. And lo and behold, what happened? We get another classic correction, I like to call it. Both corn and soybeans have donated 1/2 of those rallies. Soybeans have given back a little over 45 cents, so give or take, the halfway back trade. December corn had a 36 or 38 cent rally. It's right there at that halfway back point. So why are those important? Well, it gives everybody a chance to reload and renegotiate and decide again what they want to do with their positions. Both the bulls and the bears take a breather there. And so those are 3 corrections. We had the 10% correction in the S&P, and we had both soybeans and corn come back and donate 50% of their recent rallies. So those types of moves give you great opportunity. Doesn't matter if you're a bull or a bear, as long as you don't get entrenched in your opinions, it gives you great opportunities moving forward. If you're looking for help with your hedging or you're speculating, give me a call, look me up on the web, Chris Robinson.